swig.
Chill, man.
I don't know how the fuck you did that, but I'm gonna try to come from here. Hey, try to talk.
You want to put a line with this?
No,
You can.
probably just go like this. Looks like shit.
It's my truck with 6 sticks. Piece of shit.
Scraping crunch for next year, brother.
Oh, I'm gonna be on some rims next year.
Straight up. Fucking professional, bro. Alex approved. What the fuck is that? Do that again?
Bruh, I'm fucking locked and I'm like this close to my building.
You ever change the uppers? Can't wait till you could chow.
Yeah, dude, we gonna break some shit down.
Dude, where are you going? Come back.
Buddy, back to the top. That fucker blends.
New pet in our aquarium.
Dude, that's great.
What the fuck is that gonna do? Hey, that fucker's still there, dude.
You know, I just wanted to check my air pressure right quick and make sure it was good, so I dismounted the rim. Yeah.
Fucking money, dude!
I'm gonna try to put this back on right quick. I'm like Jonah now. It's all Carter's fault, bro. You're gonna make it worse, bro. Oh, okay. The bead's fucked. Oh, shit.
Dumbass!
Pour one out for my dead homies. It's okay, though. I found some 32.5s for sale on Facebook, so I might go buy those. If not, try to find some 35s. So after scraping, I decided to just redo my whole steering and everything. So I got an idler arm, a pitman arm, idler arm bracket thing, and then some bushings for my rear leaf springs, because eventually I'm gonna get them powder coated. But these three are what I'm gonna be working on soon. The only thing that didn't come in yet is my steering box. So the steering box is gonna get shipped. Everything in the front suspension, steering wise, and everything will be brand new once I'm done with this. So shouldn't have no problems with alignment, with nothing to play in the wheel, nothing. Colin, what you doing, man?
Man, shut the fuck up.
What are you doing?
Fucking being pissed off. That's what I'm fucking doing.
Why?
Cause this Ford's a piece of fuck.
Why'd you buy a Ford?
Pull your fucking blocks out. They say it'll look good. They say, yeah, not when your rear end starts fucking screaming at you.
Why'd you run screaming at you?
And not when you stupid. You get all 3 bolts unfucking done, and the last one just wants to fuck you in the fucking ass. Pre-announcement with Cheb. If you're ever working under a Ford, pray it falls on you. That's what I'm doing right now. Let's talk about how this truck's made it on the YouTube twice, and both times it was dealing with blocks. It went a lot smoother the first time. Now I just want to fucking get run the fuck over. Appreciate it.
A little.
I still want to kill myself.
Oh.
But there's a little bit more motivation.
Not in the fucking mood. But I just buy me some hubcaps. Fuck these vehicles.
They got some spinners, bro.
Probably not. I think I'm gonna hit these. If they don't fucking work, I'm gonna return the fuck out of it.
So because my tire got fucked up, I went by some new 31s. So this is the old tire that I took off. That's why I wouldn't hold a beat. So I bought some used 31s. It was 1 wide and 3 skinners. Fucking Colin's over here. He don't know he don't know what the fuck he's doing.
Huh?
He said you don't know what the fuck you're doing.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
There's a lot of here. Who wore fucking glasses and gloves to cut that.
I don't even know if I cut it yet. These are
You're a
my
fucking
eyes are about to pop out my fucking head.
You're a fucking vagina.
You don't understand the struggle of wearing contacts. Oh wait, yeah, you do.
Yes, I do.
Oh my god, that thing's bit as fuck already just from doing that.
What the?
What the? I got my dick holding my fucking axle in.
Colin, you could have made it home, to be honest with you.
Nah, I probably could, but I ain't risking that. Why not? We'll just leave the bitch here.
Appreciate. Got the rear end in, left it tooted up, but rear end works good. Side by side, all it needs is axle now. I'm gonna buy some Rhino 2.0s later, so. Nice fucking car, loser.
Yeah, pass it.
Dude, fucking Connor just destroyed my bike, tuned my shit, and it's all fucked up. He tuned Keegan's shit and it's perfectly fine though. What the fuck?
Come on, again.
Eat a dick.
Stop!
Fucking loser.
Me and that bike just don't get along.
Yeah, yeah. The bike is
Wait,
retaliating.
bullshit. I want to fucking say something because I got fucked in that deal. Not your dumbass foot. My fat ass head got fucked, okay?
Made my shit straight, bitch ass. Connor fucked my shit up.
Thing's a unit. I'm not pulling you back because my shit's probably gonna blow up with this fucking tuner we got. That guy right there.
Good job, buddy.
This thing passes. Not gonna lie to you. It's a big 1K. It's a unit.
You know, like they say, you win some, you lose some. It's really not stripped at all. Shut the fuck up. Colin is good.
Look. Nah, I'm good. Look up, dumbass.
Hello. Fucking Colin. I'm gonna pick this up today for 180, brand new. Just needs a collar pin. But so I'm gonna replace that front axle that I ended up cutting. But first, I'm gonna check my O2 sensor. This is more important. Okay. ASMR. I check my O2 sensor because Connor emailed them people, Donald Jet or whatever. They said there wasn't none with the tuning that we did wrong, wasn't none with the tune itself, or like how we tuned it. They looked at like all the mapping and whatnot, and Connor could probably explain it better, but he said that the amount of gas it was getting at idle was like really, really high. So I'm gonna check the O2 sensor, clean it. If it's not too bad, if it's really, really bad, then I'm gonna try to get one before Mobugs, which is in 5 or 6 days. I'm gonna change my thing, axle. Then I gotta take this little bracket lift off of this axle or this rear end and put on this one so I can not have it tooting up because I kind of gonna fuck it. So got my master mechanic / destroyer here. Took the O2 sensor out, got to soak it in some gas, trying to clean it out. It was a little dirty. I don't know what the fuck's going on with this shock. It looks like shit. That's the one they broke. But took the thing out. About to take the brake caliper off so we can take the hub and whatnot off.
You're not a bitch like me. You don't got no gloves, man.
If you look through the camera, it won't fucking blind the fuck out of me. Huh?
Somebody got a hold.
Oh, okay. Slime, come video. Wow, I just fucking looked at that. Thanks for the warning.
I did too. It's okay.
So did I.
Boy, you got some good legs. Go ahead. Fucker's bright.
You're welcome.
Just like
Andre,
that, bro.
first pull. No.
Man, boy, there's something at the bottom of my tank. I don't know.
A rubber piece?
No. Look at that. Piece of, huh?
Paper towel.
Yeah, what the fuck? Have to fish that out. Took that little pump out. That part number for the new pump is wherever. E. Try to help you slimes out in case you get a problem. That FE0150. It looks the exact same.
It's pretty much a direct fit. The only thing that's different is that the positive and negatives are opposite on the new one.
The connection's a little different, but cut that hose because it comes with that new little hose right there. Kind of take the two sides right here on each side, kind of pry it open, pull it out after you disconnect your wires, and then you're gonna take this off, put the new one in, and then put that new black piece. It should be good.
We have to take that off.
Yeah. But it should be good after that. It's pretty easy. So all I did was I cut this little thing off with my knife, sliced it right down the top, right there. So the slime, if you hold that in the cords, man, start putting this little fucking back together. We are the new old fucking labs and autos in it. The barns, the barn zone, getting the zone.
I heard Advanced Holo Porsche is better than both of them.
They just don't have one around.
I know. I thought they had one as one of them. They don't.
You strong, bro. The pliers.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. I'm on the truth. I'm gonna feel. Turn the key. Just turn the key on. Fuel pump's on.
That's right.
So that's good.
The connection is good. Shows I got gas. That means we didn't fuck up the thing on the jiggy. Let it idle for a little bit. We'll let the pump warm up. It's staying at 1250.
But it's not like skipping like it was.
Yeah.
Earlier.
Well, before it was like 1200, 1250, 1200, 1250. Now it's 1250, 1300.
Same thing. It's magic.
But we fucking good sometimes. Sometimes we're a little good.
You're welcome.
Appreciate. Moral of the story, if you go buy this Delphi pump, that's the part number, CFE0150, it will cost you $157 without tax, and it will fix your fuel pump problem if you have some. Now, we think it's because of that little piece of paper towel got sucked up in it and just fried the little pump over time, and kind of just, whenever we just tuned it, The pump was working so hard, it just really fried itself. So